Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Alawael Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
No, ma'am.
So, okay, why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? Because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
And I want also to experience Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce
I
yourself?
want to work also.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Hello, ma'am, and I'm 1 years old, and I'm living in Kiangan, Ifugao, ma'am.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Your name is Marilu Doy Agpulao, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You are 31 years old. Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
June 12, 1993, ma'am.
What about your height and your weight? What is your height and your weight?
I'm 4'11", ma'am, and I'm 43 kilos, ma'am.
What about your religion?
I'm Pentecost, ma'am.
Pentecost. What about your educational background?
I finished 2 years course, ma'am, at Association Computer Technology, ma'am.
ACT.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your brother? How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 60, ma'am, and her housewife only, ma'am.
What about your father?
My father is dead na, ma'am.
Okay, what about your sibling? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother, ma'am, and I have 5 sisters, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Sorry, ma'am. I'm 5th, ma'am, but I have 6 sisters, ma'am.
It's okay, no worries. So in your by data, it was stated, or in your rather than profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2014 to 2017 in Lebanon. You worked there for 3 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for 3 years. Okay, you finished your contract. Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Lebanon?
I'm only finished 2 years, ma'am, there in Lebanon.
Oh, so you worked there for 2 years only. You finished your contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there? What are your responsibilities?
My responsibilities are cleaning the house and ironing, washing dishes, and washing clothes, ma'am. And I cook some Lebanese foods, ma'am,
Okay.
with her sisters, ma'am, my employer.
Okay. Did you also take care of some like children, elderly in Lebanon? No.
Only elderly, ma'am.
Okay. While doing
There's no
house
children.
Okay. So how old is the elderly that you take care?
She's maybe 35, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So in other words, you do house chores only inside her house, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to your employer in Lebanon?
I only decide finish contract, ma'am, and maybe my salary is so
Low.
not high, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am, low.
way back also 2017, after Lebanon, you worked in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for how many months?
Only 10 months, ma'am.
What month did you started? What year did you started? And what month did you finish?
I finished only 2017.
Because August, in your profile, it was stated that August until October, so 3 months only. But you say you worked there for 10 months, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what month did you started? Is it what month and what year?
I think it's August until June.
Okay. So August 2017 to June 2018.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Hong Kong?
My duties are washing clothes also, and then cleaning the house and ironing also, and then sometimes I take care the kids, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
They are 3 years old and 6 years old, ma'am.
3 years old, 6 years old, and the other
They are
one?
two only, ma'am.
Two only. Okay, you also cook there, is
Yes, ma'am.
it?
No, ma'am, because we are three helper, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you terminate your contract? Is your employer the one terminate your contract and you are the, or maybe you are the one who breached your contract? Which one?
My employer, ma'am, is so she terminate me, ma'am.
So she sent you back in the Philippines, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why she sent you back in the Philippines?
I don't know also, ma'am, but my first is a decision to I try to tell my mom na uh, I go back to
Oh.
Philippines, but my madam she took me to she terminate me.
Oh, okay, okay. So, you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? You already experienced it because you've been in Lebanon and you've been in Hong Kong, correct? So you need to be flexible.
Yes,
You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes,
Are you okay to take
ma'am.
your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets? Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay? Once you breach your contract,
Yes,
you know
ma'am.
that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time because you are working. You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning, okay? But if we found out that you
Yes,
cannot cope up your job on the next day because you feel groggy, you don't have the energy to work due to misuse of mobile handphone, very sorry to say, we will inform your employer that we will allow you to use your mobile handphone during nighttime only for 2 to 3 hours. You are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. If you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to be clarified and I want you to understand that we don't want later to have such a problem once you come to work here in Malaysia, okay? You okay with our terms and conditions? So you also follow our rules and regulations. Any like you also be working inside the employer's house for 2 years, right? And you need to respect
Yeah.
and follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you're the one who are working inside their premises. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer. Okay? This is not the Philippines, as I have mentioned quite many times already. If we will work in other countries, we need to humble ourselves because they have their own rules and regulations. In Philippines, we might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now, Marilu. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.